In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a memo line on bill payment checks in QuickBooks Online. First, open your browser and head to the QuickBooks Online website. If you're not already signed in, click the Sign In button and enter your login details to access your company. If you manage more than one company, make sure you're in the correct file before moving on so the transaction posts to the right books. Once you're in, look for the New button. This is your starting point for creating transactions. Select it to open the full list of options, then choose Credit Memo. In many workflows, the memo you enter on the transaction becomes the memo that prints on your documents, including the line you want to see on checks. Using the Credit Memo form here lets you capture that memo clearly so it carries through to printing. On the Credit Memo screen, start by entering the payee or the appropriate name tied to this payment activity. This is also the perfect time to enter your memo text. Find the memo field and type the exact wording you want to appear on the printed check's memo line. Think invoice numbers, project references, or a short purpose statement. Keep it concise and consistent so it's easy to read later. Next, add the relevant product or service. This ensures the financial impact is recorded in the right accounts and makes your reporting accurate. If you track classes or locations, choose those here as well for clean categorization. Then enter the amount and any applicable tax. Double-check the taxable status of each line so your totals are correct and your records stay precise. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. Saving before printing captures your memo and locks in the details so the printed output matches what you see on screen. Now you're ready to print. Click Print to open the print window. In the preview, confirm that your memo text appears exactly where you expect it on the check image. If something looks off, maybe the memo needs a tweak, cancel, edit the memo field on the transaction, save again, and reopen print. Load your pre-printed check stock into the printer and verify the check style and alignment. If the memo sits a little high or low, use the alignment options to nudge it into place before committing to a full run. For best results, keep memo text brief, avoid special characters that may not render well, and consider printing a single test page first. Once everything lines up, print your check and you're done. Your memo line will now appear clearly on the bill payment check.